The hidden cost of playing it safe in 2025 and 2026. Most people think playing it safe means avoiding risk, but in 2025, playing it safe might actually be what's holding you back with 2026 around the corner. I remember years ago believing that a steady paycheck was the smartest choice until the rising cost of living, health care, and unexpected expenses started climbing faster than my income ever could. Playing it safe wasn't security. Not anymore. It was slow decline disguised as comfort. Question for you. Have you ever realized that once felt secure is now the very thing keeping you stuck? Here's the truth. The economy is changing faster than any 9 to 5 can keep up with anymore. Automation, artificial intelligence, and global work trends are rewriting what job stability even means. And every month you wait to start a digital income stream, inflation quietly eats more of your freedom. You don't need to quit your job overnight. You just need to start one small thing that builds while you sleep or rest or enjoy your life. That's how digital entrepreneurs create freedom. Little consistent actions compound over time. If you've ever felt scared to start, you're not alone. Everyone who built something new once stood at the edge of what if? The only difference between fear and freedom is one small decision to begin. Don't confuse safe with secure. In 2025 and 2026, security comes from creating, not waiting. Here's a quote. If you don't build your own dream, someone will hire you to build theirs. Watch my video, The Truth About Starting Over at Any Age, next. It'll change how you see opportunity. The link is below. Comment, what's one safe decision you're ready to challenge? Subscribe for more digital freedom insights weekly. I'm here to help you. Any questions? Send me an email. I look forward to them and I answer them personally each and every time.